How to send disappearing photos on Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to send disappearing photos on Telegram. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, make sure your Telegram app is up to date and then tap on the Telegram application to launch it. Make sure to sign in to the particular account and then tap continue to access your contacts. After you do that, you need to select the particular chat where you want to send the disappearing photos on. Once you reach on this section, tap on the paperclip icon at the bottom right corner next to message. Now here you will get all of your pictures and videos. Simply select any picture where you want to send as the disappearing photos. Here you can easily see the preview of the photo. So next to add a caption, you will see one icon. Simply tap on it and here you need to choose how long the media will be kept after viewing. Or you can select view once, 3 seconds, 10 seconds, 30 seconds or do not delete. So tap on 3 seconds and up to 3 seconds the other person can view this picture. So tap on arrow at the bottom right corner of the screen and this photo has been sent as the destructing or the self-destructing pictures message in Telegram. So that is how we send disappearing photos on Telegram. Hope this video worked for you. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.